So far, we checked out a natural occurrence like El Nino.
And global warming. We've seen how El Nino can affect increased precipitation in some areas and how both phenomena can relate to flooding and even drought.
And that's what we're going to take a look at next. Drought and its connections.
You're probably wondering why we're standing in front of a wall of water when we're getting ready to talk about such a dry subject.
But then again, you're probably looking beyond the obvious.
Drought, like other phenomena in the Earth system, has obvious local impacts. The most famous dry period in United States history is the 1930s drought in the Great Plains. That area was referred to as the Dust Bowl, and the drought lasted a decade. It's estimated that by the end of the 10-year span, financial assistance from the government may have been as high as $1 billion in 1930s dollars. But drought causes more than economic devastation. It produces a complex web of impacts that can touch our lives environmentally and socially, as well as economically. Drought increases the risk of fire. During recent droughts, we've seen the destruction of forest land, wildlife, and homes. Satellite imagery shows the far-reaching effects of soot and ash from these fires as they get caught up in the winds. Fires have an impact on air quality thousands of miles away. There are other ways that the atmosphere spreads the effects of a local event. For example, take a human-initiated activity like cattle farming in Africa. Due to overgrazing, there's more dust produced. Add to this a drought, possibly linked to a change in weather as a result of, say, El Nino. Now you've got dust on top of dust. When the wind blows, dust from Africa gets caught in the trade winds and blows westward over the Atlantic Ocean. This dust has been found in the Caribbean and is considered a leading suspect in the death of sea fans in the coral reefs. Amazing what you can find if you look beyond the obvious.